Suddenly, the engine begins to misfire. Power drops, warning lights appear, and the Corvette is forced to stop.
The first step is diagnosis. A diagnostic scan reveals a critical engine failure, damaged piston rings, and a worn crankshaft bearing.
To repair the damage, the engine must be completely removed from the vehicle. Once disassembled, the internal damage becomes visible. Excessive heat and oil starvation have caused internal wear.
Pistons. Step 2. Damaged pistons and piston rings are replaced with new components.
The cylinder walls are honed to restore proper surface finish.
Step 3. The crankshaft bearings are replaced and torqued to factory specifications.
The oil pump is replaced to prevent future oil starvation. The old unit is removed, the passages are scrubbed clean, and a fresh pump is installed and torqued to spec. With every channel clear and the pickup ready, the engine...
And once inserted, the valves supplying the cylinder heads are reassembled with new gaskets and seals.
Protect the exhaust to the radiator and the tag exciting. The rebuilt engine is carefully reinstalled into the Corvette chassis.
The engine is started for the first time. Oil pressure is stable, temperatures are normal, and performance is fully restored.
With expert repair and precision engineering, the Chevrolet Corvette is back to delivering raw performance and unmatched power.